What's up, everybody? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And we're out here to support the homies in H.U.B.Y.S.U. They actually throw on a meet at the Twisty Treat. So we're in Davenport taking a look at that right now. And it's crazy. I saw a car when we rolled in with Battle Gang on the back of it. So that's gonna be interesting to find out whose car that is. I think I found the guy because he's wearing, well, there's somebody wearing a Battle Gang shirt, so I'm gonna go talk to him and we'll look at all the cars around here. Alright, because I was accused of not showing the Miatas any love, seeing a really nice one right here, had to get it. So definitely take a look at it. Romaine, talking to you. Car definitely looks good. Looks real good. Those old fenders look pretty good. And I love when they got that on there. Look like a tongue sticking out. Pretty dope. And looks like they got Instagram on here, so check them out. Pretty clean. Alright. This was the first car I really saw when we were coming by. Looks pretty good. Been seeing a lot of these lately. Not usually a fan of the car, but when people start doing stuff to them, looks really good. Where they confiscate them rims from? That looks good, looks good. But yeah, real quick, where I was talking about Battle Gang, homie said he just got in a couple weeks ago. But yeah, I can see why he got in. Look at it. So yeah, he's local here to Florida. There we go, sorry about that. Alright, yeah. Can't wait to see how this sounds. It's definitely sitting right. Looks real good. But yeah, he said he spoke with Eric and everything, so dope seeing you guys expanding out here all over the US. See you guys at Battle Gang. Lotus definitely looks good. Charger's pretty clean too, but yeah, definitely gotta get the Lotus. Think that'll fit you, Gene? It's always nice to see Chevy and Dodge kind of getting along. We got Mustangs over here, staying away from the crowd. They look pretty good.
We got a Z, Z Cruise over here.
Yep. When H.U.B.Y.S.U's around, you know we got a bunch of Z's around. That looks great. Love those wheels and those brakes. And the car overall. Definitely good. I don't know, I love those. Definitely love those Nismos. Especially the back. That looks good. You think that's a dip or wrap?
I'm thinking dip.
Kind of hard to tell, but it looks good. Another one. Simply clean. We'll check out the other side here in a minute, but okay, I see you. SRT. Oh, I thought that was cracking, but that's the design. Looks pretty cool. Makes sense. Everything coming out here, make that happen. Good design. Nice seeing all these cars. Got another Miata over there. And a few more Mustangs. WRX and STI. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, you did? Yeah, Brad.
Gabriel, bro.
Nice to meet you.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yep.
Bro?
Yeah.
What is it?
Bradford White, 2-fitted.
What is it?
Alright. So we got red, blue, silver. Good combination. Definitely shout out. I love when people come up to me and they see me. Pretty dope. Alright, there we go. Guess who's throwing the party? Fresh banner. Definitely looks good. One of my favorites.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's the guy running his car. The lights are serious. Love that. Yeah. The last time I saw it, it was dark out, so I couldn't really appreciate it. But that looks really good. Hey, Niche Squad. Or Niche, however you want to pronounce it. They squatted up right now. Still got people show up. Now that is amazing. Look at that, Gene.
Oh, got a tuner crate hat on. How you doing? What are you driving?
I'm driving.
Looking good, looking good.
You follow Mike?
Perfect. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
He's a huge soul.
I'll follow him.
Got some Mercedes wheels on this.
We didn't get the blow-off valve. Alright, figured I'd come get his car. Saw him pull in, talked to him for a bit, but I don't think I got this the last time either. I like the stance, but it's crazy he scrapes at work. So that makes me worried because if I go lower, that means I'm gonna scrape at work. And I'm not trying to do that, but I might just go to a different parking lot instead of the normal parking lot. Might do that. But yeah, it was dope meeting people out here. People seeing me. That looks pretty cool.
That does look pretty cool.
Autism Speaks. That color, all of it. This is dope. Check them out. This definitely looks pretty good too. Got some sponsors. Nice BRZ. I like the fitment. Let's take a look. Been seeing this Super B for a few.
No. I charged my battery, but I have them.
There it is. Been seeing them. This one's pretty cool too. Bill Murray. Dang. That looks real good too. Subaru Squad. We got another Instagram. Check them out. I know we're probably seeing multiple ones, but Jay, just in case you haven't seen a video with them in there, not gonna hurt to show them. Alright. Saw them roll in. Definitely looking good. Got Sonic again.
It didn't rain the other day.
Socha, come over here.
See
You see the lightning over there?
No, yesterday we saw the
the
light.
C-Mod grill.
Yeah, right.
That looks good too. And what else we got? That Miata. I didn't peep that last time. Missed that. The lights look good. Of course, you got the Boxer. Squad. Looked pretty good when they, or sounded pretty good when they came in. We'll take a look over here too. Got some more people who just kind of rolled in on us. This place look pretty good front. Yeah. All right. That's pretty dope. You see how they got that slanted there? Oh yeah. I was thinking about doing a banner like that. That looks really good. I think if I would do it though, it'd be gloss too. But that looks pretty dope. Got the carbon fiber wing. And this fusion looks pretty good. More carbon fiber. We got some more cars rolling in, about to go check out.
What?
Yeah.
Fox body.
I got you now.
We're gonna check that squad out. This squad rolling in. Look at that. Pretty dope, pretty dope. That looks really good too. All dope. Squad rolled in. Bagged and all. What up? Probably wait for his homie to show up.
You do that to me all the time.
That looks pretty dope. Yeah. Gonna have some nice wheels like that on the project. They're stretched and the low pros on a daily. Get some meat on the project car. This definitely looks good. Just rolled in, aired out. That's how you do it. That detail. Perfect detail. And boom. Now we gotta get that trunk shot, thanks.
Gotcha.
It's always legit when you got the wood in there.
You know.
Alright, alright. And of course we got the other Miata. I don't know, I really like this one. That spoiler's pretty sick. Some behind the scenes, the H.U.B.S.U people getting together for their membership meet.
Lock it up. Let you get locked up.
But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little sneak peek. I'm not sure when they're gonna be releasing it. Excuse me. But yeah.
Can we turn Anthony's off? No. They're alright, they're halos.
Just organizing right now. Now this definitely look good. Caught my eye from around the way. Definitely looks good. Just talking about it. We got the lights popping off everywhere.
Alright.
I'ma do it.
You gonna do it?
I'ma do it.
Okay.
I ain't gonna overdo it, but I'm gonna do it.
But you are gonna do it.
Yep. I've been wanting to do it for a while too, so. These guys give me the confidence to do it. Just kidding, but yeah, it does look good, and I think I am going to do it. Maybe something to music. Bag Camaro.
Bag.
It's cute.
Looks pretty cool.
And those are the wheels I wanted too. That looks good. Yeah. Looks real good. Alright, so definitely shout out to the H.U.B.S.U squad. Thanks for inviting us and throwing the event. I'll go ahead and throw a link to their social media, and it'll be there, YouTube. I think they have Facebook and Instagram. If not, it'll be YouTube and Instagram. But I'll throw that down below so you can check them out. They host events around the area quite a bit, and they're making a name for themselves out here. So definitely shout out to them, and shout out to you for watching. So appreciate you watching. I'd like to thank you, and as always, have a good one. Peace.